Hey there, YouTube! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for all the gentlemen out there. We're going to explore the incredible lineup of Manscaped products, designed specifically for your grooming needs. From head to toe, they've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Gentlemen, we all know that precision is key when it comes to manscaping, and Manscaped has taken it to the next level with their Lawn Mower 4.0. This state-of-the-art trimmer features advanced SkinSafe technology, ensuring you can groom confidently without any nicks or cuts. Plus, it's waterproof, making it perfect for both dry and wet grooming sessions. With its adjustable guard sizes and a powerful motor, this tool is an absolute game-changer. Now, let's talk about Manscaped's Crop Preserver and Crop Reviver. These grooming essentials will revolutionize your daily routine. The Crop Preserver is an anti-chafing ball deodorant that keeps your sensitive areas cool, dry, and fresh throughout the day. It's formulated with active ingredients that fight odor and irritation, leaving you feeling confident all day long. And when it comes to that extra boost of freshness, the Crop Reviver is your go-to. This refreshing spray is packed with soothing and hydrating properties that revitalize your skin, keeping you feeling rejuvenated and smelling fantastic. It's like a breath of fresh air for your nether regions. Sometimes, precision grooming calls for a delicate touch, and that's where the Shears 2.0 come into play. These luxury scissors are designed specifically for those hard-to-reach areas. From shaping your eyebrows to taming unruly nose and ear hair, the Shears 2.0 are your trusty companions. Crafted from stainless steel, they offer durability and precise cutting, making your grooming routine a breeze. We all know that grooming can leave a bit of a mess, but fear not. Manscaped has got you covered with the Magic Mat and the Shed. The Magic Mat is a disposable, waterproof mat that catches all those pesky trimmings, making cleanup a breeze. Simply unfold it, place it on the floor, and let it work its magic. No more worrying about clogging the sink or leaving behind a trail of hair. And speaking of cleanup, the Shed is Manscaped's premium travel bag designed to keep your grooming arsenal organized. It's spacious, durable, and has various compartments to store all your Manscaped products. So, whether you're traveling or just want to keep everything neat and tidy at home, the Shed is an absolute must-have. There you have it, folks. Manscaped's product lineup is the ultimate grooming solution for the modern gentleman. From the Lawn Mower 4.0 to the Shears 2.0, their range of products is designed to provide a smooth and hassle-free experience. So, if you're ready to elevate your grooming game, head over to the Manscaped website and get yourself these fantastic tools. Trust me, your grooming routine will never be the same again. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment down below letting us know which Manscaped product you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay well groomed and stay awesome.